What's up, y'all? It's your boy. John decided to do a whole week of, what we've been eating and giving y'all an idea, what to eat. If you're doing keto, you don't have to do keto, but this is what me and John do. Low carb, high fat diet, moderate protein. And this is what I have cooking up. So I have some ground beef. It's just the 7327, whatever. I got some green beans cooking with some bacon grease. And also, there's the bacon that I'm going to throw on top of that. Sorry, guys, I'm on the FaceTime. Wouldn't let me go back, flip it around. But earlier today, my first meal, I had two slices of bacon, 2 eggs. That's how I started off the day. And I'm probably going to have a serving of both of these later on tonight before workout. And then, So this will be ready for the rest of the week. So I don't have to worry about eating bad at lunch or just messing up in general. Just keeping myself accountable, getting back on track, staying disciplined. And that's what diet's all about, guys. 80% in the kitchen, preparing yourself, or just finding a way at restaurants or, just at the convenience store or whatever. Just finding ways. Find something that works for your diet. Don't just give up and go to a fast food joint and, stuff like that. So we're getting a lot from the holidays. But yeah, we're going to get it. It's the only way. Maybe John will put this up on YouTube. Not too sure. But y'all will see this eventually. So y'all take the next step. Y'all have a great day.